Okay, YouTube, all of my friends, welcome back once again. This is welcome back for part 4. Okay, we did finish with comments.js. Okay, this is where we left, comment.js. And one thing I want to show you is if you go back, okay, I'm using this is Firefox. Okay, this is Firefox. When I run the program, this is Firefox, our program, okay? When I run the program on Firefox, after adding comments.js, if you use copy, when you're done with comment.js and you run it on Google browser, you will find something, okay? You will get a result. And okay, this is the original. Let me show you one second. If you are new, this is part 3. This is part 4. We did part 1, 2, part 3. Now this is part 4. You have to go back to watch part 1, part 2, and part 3 to understand part 4. Okay. Let me show you one second how this works. If you click here and okay, how this works, this is a comment system using PHP and MySQL database. Like anyone and put add your message, say like you say thank you, and no, okay, no, if you don't add, okay, if this is optional, if you don't add URL or you want URL, this is your picture, okay, and you click on submit, okay, you say thank you, this is you. Now I want to reply, okay, and I click on, okay, I vote. That's why I click on this card button, okay, I vote and I click on reply. Now I put my, this is where I'm going to reply. And then I said you are welcome, okay, and now I put, let me paste my image, okay, and I click on submit. This is me. As you can see, this is a thank you, and then you are welcome. And this is where we left. If we copy, let me show you something, guys. After I finish, let me go back with adding a comment.js, okay, and if we go back here and copy this link, this is a Firefox, okay, this is Firefox, because when I run it on Firefox, nothing happened. Let me copy the link, copy, and open a Google browser. Let me paste it on Google browser here. This is a Google, okay. Let me paste the link and click on enter. Okay, this is what we get. Okay, you should find this error message. Okay, if you don't find this error message, that's fine too. But this is where we got an error message here. Let me increase this. Okay, we have an error message here. You say syntax error, unexpected variable $PDO on comments.php on line 121. Let me go back and open comments.php, okay, and go, let me scroll up to let me go to line 121. This is it, okay, 121. Right here we got let me see, statement PDO prepared. This is this line of code that I'm checking to see what's wrong. Okay, we have statement. After statement, as you can see, let me show you. Statement equal, after statement here, you should get equal sign. Okay, let me increase this. Okay, here, this is where we got the error message. I'm going to put the equal sign. This is the equal sign. I want you to add the equal sign and save the program, save all. Now I want to go back to this is the Google, yeah, and I'm using a Google browser, and then refresh the page. Okay, now this is it. And let me go back again. Now we got the visual, guys. We have the visual after coding the comments.js. This is what we have on Google. Let me go back to Firefox and refresh it to see what's going to happen. Nothing happened. I don't know why, but there is no, we don't have any results on Firefox. This is what we switch to Google. Okay, when you refresh it, this is what we got. Okay, we stay here. Now, if you click on write comment, is the form. Okay, is the form here. Okay, is the form. Okay, we're not done yet. Let me add the. Okay, let me put it this way. If we try to write something, let me put test and put something test 1. Okay, click on submit. When you click on submit, we have another error message here that says uncaught PDO exception. It's a column not found. Okay, unknown. Here we have this error message here. Let me show you. Unknown column. Yeah, column comment underscore approval required. Online comments.php on line 125. Okay, now let's go back to our code and go back to comments.php. Go to line 125. Okay, it says line 125. So this is where we put the equal sign. Okay, this is the equal sign. The first error message. The second error message, stop. Okay, this is the closing. Where is the opening? I'm looking for the opening. Okay. Okay, this is the opening here. This is the opening parenthesis. This is the closing. Okay. And let me see. I'm looking for on line 20. Okay, on line 25. Okay, now we have approved. As you can see, guys. Now let me make it bigger for you so that you can see what I'm doing. Now we have approved, $ approved. We're supposed to get comment underscore approval required. This is what we're supposed to get. Okay, let me cut this. I want you to cut this, delete it. Okay, and we can add comment. Let me increase this so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, comment underscore approval required right here. Instead of $ approve, put comment underscore approval required. If this is the error, okay, we will now let test it, save it, save all, and go back to our browser and refresh the page. Okay, no error message. Let me try to, okay, this is test. Okay, this is test. Okay, this is test 1, and click on submit. We have the same error message, comment approval required field, PDO statement here. Okay, line 125. Let's go back again. 125. Oh no. Okay, the $ approve was okay. Okay, I want you guys to cut this for me. Cut it or delete it. Okay, let's put back the approved, $ approved. Okay, this is fine here. Let me put it this so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, $ approved here. Okay, $ approved here is okay. because it says the error message says unknown this. Okay, they don't know. Yeah, unknown this comment underscore approval required. We have to remove this. Okay, it's a line 125, but we don't have it. Okay, we have it here. Okay, by the way, this is here. Okay, guys, from line 121, statement equal PDO prepared insert comment page ID parent ID name content submit date image comment approval required. Okay, I think this is where we have the issue here. Let's cut this. Instead of comment approval required, let me delete this and put approved. I'm going to put approved here. Okay, put approved and save the program, save all. Go back to our browser, refresh the page and try to test one. Click on submit. Okay, now we have other error message on. It says undefined variable k $k on line. This is it. Let me on line 21. Same file comment.php line 21 undefined variable k. Let's go back. Okay, line 21. Scroll up a little bit. Line 21. Okay, it is line. Oops. Okay, it is line 21. This is k right here. $k. Okay, this is k. Okay, now k. The error message is now we have a capital letter. K is capitalized. Okay, now this is we need k like this. This is we need a lowercase k. That's why I have to cut this k and then put a lowercase. Okay, this is a lowercase. Okay, let me make this bigger for you. Let me make the difference. This is capital K. Okay, you can see the difference. The lowercase k is the font is smaller. Okay, now I put a smaller. Okay, this is a lowercase k, and then now we can save the program, save all, and go back, refresh the page. Okay, now, okay guys, now we got something. Now we got, okay, this is the, remember I put a test one, and I click on here, vote. Okay, I got another message. This is not undefined error key comment ID on line 141. When you click on here, 141. Okay, is 141. It says 141 undefined error key comment ID. Okay, 141 comment ID here. Okay, let me see. Statement execute get comment ID. Oh, now I get comment. Let me remove the S here. Let me cut the S. Okay, cut the S now and then save the program. Go back, refresh it. Okay, try to reply. Okay, now it's working. Instead of let me show you. Instead of comments, okay, instead of comment, it's comment, and you save it. Go back, refresh the page, and try to reply. Okay, now we got the form for reply. If I want to reply, let me see. Okay, let me click on Jimdel. I'm gonna put test one. Test one is okay. I put it like this. Test one is okay. And if I want to put one of my URL, I click on submit. Okay, as you can see, now is my URL. Test one is okay. That's fine. Okay. Now we have visual, guys. What I want you to do, I'm going to code comments.css. We need comment.css. Okay. What I want to do, I want you to go to your main folder, right click on new file, call it comments.css, and click let me see, comment.css already exists. Did we create comment.css already? Let me see. Add comment.css. Comment.css. Let's see. Right click, new file, call it comment.css. Click on enter. Okay. Here we go. Comment.css. Now I'm going to say that comment space that comment underscore header. Okay. I'm going to increase this, make it bigger so that you can see. Okay. Now I'm going to say display flex. Okay. Next line. Border bottom 1 pixel solid is the color, and I'm going to say I'm going to use a padding 15 pixel 0 top left, and I'm going to say margin bottom 10 pixel, and align items on its center. Okay, this part is done. I'm going to say that comment header. Okay, and that total. Okay, for the color, I'm going to say 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and I need the font size 14 pixels. Also I need the flex growth should be 1. Okay, this part is done. Now I'm going to say comment header for the form. And okay, before that, guys, let me add this is comment header instead of form. I'm going to say that take right underscore comment underscore btn. Okay, now you need the margin 0. Okay, this is done. Okay, I'm going to say comment header that form. Now I can call form, and I need the padding right 15 pixel, and this part is done. I'm going to say comment header form select. Okay, and for that I need a border of 1 pixel solid, same color, and I need a padding of 5 pixel 15 pixel. 5 pixel, 15 pixel. Also, and in the border radius of 4 pixel and a font size of 14 pixel. Okay, this part is done. Comment that right underscore comment button comma that comment that right comment button display should be inline block, also with a background color of 5C66B. Next line, for the color is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for the text decoration none. Margin, not margin left, 10 pixel, 0, 0. Move this. Okay. Next line, and the padding of 7 pixel, 10 pixel. Okay, and for the border radius, we need a 4 pixel same value, and then we need for the font size 14 pixel. For the font weight of 600, like this, and then for the border 0. Also for the transition background color, like this, space, period, 2 seconds, also is. Okay, this part is done. We need that comment that right underscore comment button over comma that comment that space that right comment button over. Okay, and I'm going to say background color, hashtag 5054 5D. Next line, and now I need a transition background color space that 2 seconds is. Okay, this part is done. Right comment, I'm going to say display none, padding 20 pixel, 0, 10 pixel, and 0. Okay, this is done. That comment, that right comment, text area Now I need a width of 100%, a padding of 10 pixel, a border of 1 pixel solid, 1, 2, 3, and a border radius of 5 pixel for the height of 150 pixel, and margin top of 10 pixel. Okay, this part is done. Comments that. Right. Comment input at this time. Display block width to 50 pixel. A padding of 10 pixel. A border of 1 pixel solid. Okay, and we need a border radius of 5 pixel. 5 pixel, and we need a margin top of 10 pixel. Okay, this part is done. Comment that right. Comment button, and for the cursor pointer. Okay. Comments that comment. Okay. Now comments that comment. For the display flex, I need flex flow at this time. Flex flow should be wall, and a width of 100%, and a padding top of 10 pixel. Okay, this part is done. Comments that comment. Okay, greater than, this is for the image right now. Okay, and I need the padding right of 15 pixel. Comment that, or I put, okay, you should put that here, or period, I want to call it image. Okay, that image, and then image again. Okay, this is a double image like this. Now I need a border radius of 5 pixel. Okay, comments that comment. At this time I'm going to use con. Remember that we did use con. That should be, it was a class display flex flow column. Okay, also width of 100%. This part is done. Comment that comment greater that ton space that vote okay. Now I'm going to say display flex and flex flow column, and minimum width is 40 pixel. Also align items center. This part is done. Comment space that comment up comma that comment space comment, okay, that con vote down, okay. Now display flex and text decoration none. Okay, this part is done. Comment that comment okay. Now that okay, this should be transform rotate like this. Should be rotate 45 degree. Okay, this part is done. Comment that comment transform rotate to 25 degree. Okay. Comment that comment space that con that name display inline padding 0.5 pixel 3 pixel 0, and then the margin of 0, and then the font size of 16 pixel, and the color of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and this is done. Okay, comment that comment or date now in the color 1 2 3 4 5 6, and a font size of 14 pixel. This is done. Comment that comment content. Okay, Now I'm going to say display inline blocks and max width 100%, padding of 5 pixel 0, 5 pixel 0, and a margin of 0. Okay, this part is done. Comment footer. Okay, display flex and flex flow wall. Okay, flex flow wall. After flex, let me see, flex need we say flex flow wall, and this part is done. Comment that footer, what to say, display inline block, text decoration none, padding 0.5 pixel. Okay, comment arrow. Okay, in the border solid 1 2 3 4 5 6, border width of 0 2 pixel 0. Okay, this is done. Comment footer. Okay, space that num, color 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, also a padding right of 5 pixel, and a font size of 14 pixel. Comment that footer that arrow like this, and the border solid. This is solid 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the border width of 0 2 pixel 2 pixel 0, and display inline block, padding 2 pixel. This was done. Comment that footer that footer that arrow up. Okay, that arrow that up like this. no space. Okay, and we need it should be transform I'm going to use transform translate y here. Okay, and I need -2 pixel, and then go here space, rotate -135 degree. Okay, this done. Now what we can do, can copy this line of code, copy and paste it here. Okay, yeah, comment, like we got up. Now put down, I put down, transform same thing. Now instead of -2, put -4, rotate, instead of 135, put 45 degree, like this. Okay, and next, comment. Okay, footer. Now for the reply, comment button, I'm going to say display inline block, a text decoration, none. For the margin, this is the margin button. Margin bottom 10 pixel, and font size of 14 pixel, and the color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this part is done. We can copy this line, okay, and paste it here. Just put bracket, okay, and use this color of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not right. Hashtag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. No, we need, okay, we need one more line of code. Let me see. We need here for the button. We need here. Okay, and let's pass it over on this one like this. Okay. Now show more. Okay, show more comments. I'm going to say should be display block, display block, text decoration, none. Text align center, and we need a padding of 10 pixel, font weight of 600. For the color, we need 1, 2, 3, and a background color. Let me use this 1, 2, 3. Okay, and a margin of 25 pixel, 0, and a font size of 14 pixel. Okay, this done. Show more. Now we can copy, do the same thing, copy this line and paste it over here and add a hover after that. and put a background in the background color, okay, of, I'm going to say E1, okay, E1, 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 like this, okay, and then this is done. Comment that this is that for the loader display inline block. It's a border 2 pixel, okay, 2 pixel solid. This is the color 1, 2, 3, okay. This is the border top. For the border top, it should be 2 pixel solid. This is the color 1, 2, 3. Also, in the border radius right here, border radius 50%, and a width of 14 pixel, and the height of 14 pixel as well, and we need a height 14 pixel, and animation. When I use animation, it should spin 1 second ease, okay, and finite. Okay, this part is done. This is the last part, guys. Okay, now I'm going to say add keyframe, okay, yes, that spin, okay, like this. Go inside. Let me increase this so that you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to say 0%, like this. Okay. I'm going to say transform. Transform rotate and 0 degree, like this. And go after this. This is the opening for 0 degree, 0%. This is the opening. This is the closing. Go after that, put 100%. Okay? Put it like this. And go inside, transform, rotate. And inside now, rotate to 60 degree. Okay. And this is done. Comment that CSS done. Just, okay, save all. This is done. And now go back to our browser, refresh the page. Where is the page? It's right here. It's right here. Yes. Okay. Which one is ours? This is it. Okay. This is ours. Okay, now I need to comment, and let me write one more for you, a different name. What if I put like this? Put anything. Put gene code, okay. You could put anything, just add something. Okay. Okay, good content. Okay. Now, no picture, or let me go. Okay, let me go and grab something. Okay. Let me go here. You can put anything. Put car. go to image, put a red one, anything. Okay, copy image address and go back and paste it here and click on submit. This is it right here. Okay, now I can reply. Okay, and I can say thanks, click on submit. All right, this is me. Okay, now this part is, now we need admin page. Okay, we need admin, like is the original. If I put admin here and click enter, this is the admin. You can log in. Okay, now we need to do all this. Okay, we have more to go, guys. Okay, all right, now this is where I'm going to stop here. This is part 4. I'm going to start here, and this is, we finish comments.css. This is where I'm going to start for part 4. And once again, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the thumbs up button, and then see you in the next one for part 4. Thank you. Bye bye.